Development is underway for a new Japanese facility in Batangas. There are many questions about how this major investment was finalized. Let's look at the official details of this project. In this video, we will discuss the company's background and the registration process. We are looking at the official timeline and the agencies involved. This is an update on the growing manufacturing sector in the Philippines. Ubukata Industries is a renowned Japanese firm with a long history. With over 50 years of expertise, they are leaders in electrical safety. The company specializes in safety switches and motor protectors. They also develop advanced seismic sensors for industrial safety. These components are essential for reliable electrical systems. Ubukata operates globally with plants in Japan, China, and the US now. They are expanding their footprint here as Ubukata Philippine Electric Corp. The company's story began in the post-war era with a focus on creating safety devices to prevent electrical fires and accidents. Their early innovations in bimetallic strips set a new standard for circuit protection. Over the decades, Ubukata has continued to evolve, adapting to new technologies and global demands. They have become a trusted supplier for major electronics and appliance manufacturers around the world. Their commitment to quality control and research has earned them numerous certifications and awards in the field of electrical engineering. This dedication to safety and reliability is at the core of their business philosophy, and it's what they are bringing to their new operations in the Philippines. Their presence here reflects their confidence in their strategy for long-term growth in the Asia-Pacific region. The new facility is located at the First Philippine Industrial Park in Santo Tomas. This site will focus on high-tech, export-oriented manufacturing. The plant will produce safety switches for various electrical circuits. It will also manufacture control devices for industrial machinery. These products are destined for the global market. Key export destinations include Japan, China, Korea, Europe, and the US. This project brings advanced technology and technical skills to the local workforce. The choice of the First Philippine Industrial Park is strategic. FPIP is known for its world-class infrastructure, reliable utilities, and strong support services for locators. It hosts global corporations, creating a vibrant ecosystem of suppliers and partners. The new Ubukata plant will be a state-of-the-art facility, equipped with automated assembly lines and advanced testing equipment to ensure the highest quality standards. This move is not just about building a factory, it's about transferring knowledge. Local engineers and technicians will be trained to operate and maintain sophisticated machinery, developing a highly skilled workforce that can compete on a global level. The project represents a significant investment in both capital and human resources, promising to elevate the manufacturing capabilities of the region. How was this investment project finalized? The project went through the standard official channels for Ecozone investments. It was reviewed and approved by PEZA, the Philippine Economic Zone Authority. The PEZA board, composed of representatives from various departments, granted the registration. This includes coordination with trade and economic agencies. The registration agreement was officially signed by the PEZA Director General. This confirms the project's status as a registered export enterprise. Securing investment is thorough and transparent. It begins with submission of proposal. This proposal outlines the nature of the business, the investment amount, employment projections, and the export plan. The application is then carefully evaluated by PEZA, a technical staff, to ensure it aligns with the country's economic development goals and complies with all environmental and labor standards. Following the technical review, the project is presented to the PEZA board for final approval. The board includes top officials from agencies like the Department of Trade and Industry, the Department of Finance, and the National Economic and Development Authority. This multi-agency oversight ensures that all aspects of the investment are scrutinized, from its economic viability to its social impact. The signing of the registration agreement is the final step, formalizing the partnership between the investor and the Philippine government. Here is the schedule for the new facility. The PEZA registration was officially completed on January 7, 2026. Site preparation and construction are scheduled to begin early this year. Commercial operations are targeted to start by August 2026. This phase marks the beginning of full-scale production for safety switches. The timeline follows all established industrial and international standards. This fast-track schedule highlights the efficiency of the investment process and the readiness of the industrial park to accommodate new locators. The initial phase of site preparation involves groundwork, utility connections, and securing the necessary local permits. This is followed by the construction of the main factory building and support facilities. Once the structure is complete, the focus shifts to installing the specialized manufacturing equipment imported from Japan and other countries. The final stage before commercial operation involves commissioning the production lines, training the workforce, and conducting trial runs for assembly and check products' quality requirements. This timeline is designed to bring the facility online as quickly as possible, allowing the company to start meeting global demand and contributing to the local economy without delay. Batangas remains a top choice for international investors. Its strategic location and eco-zone infrastructure make it an ideal manufacturing hub. This project contributes to the local economy and the global supply chain. It provides an opportunity for Filipino workers to gain experience in high-end electronics. The province's proximity to Manila's international airport and seaports provides excellent logistical advantages for export-oriented companies. Furthermore, the Calabarzon region, where Batangas is located, has a large and well-educated labor pool. The establishment of the Ubukata facility will create direct employment opportunities in engineering, production, quality assurance, and administration. It also generates indirect jobs through local suppliers and service providers. This ripple effect strengthens the entire regional economy. By becoming a part of Ubukata's global production network, the Philippines solidifies its role as a key player in the international electronics supply chain. This project is a testament to the country's growing reputation as a reliable and competitive destination for high-value manufacturing. The Ubukata project is an officially registered PEZA investment. The process followed all legal requirements for economic zone operations. Expect commercial production to begin in August 2026. For more updates on industrial developments, follow official industry announcements. Stay informed with accurate and documented business news. Thanks for watching.